Hey! With the current update, some useful new features are available. You want to 3D map your last hiking adventure? No problem. Just import your GPS tracks. Supported are all GPX and KML files. Set the line width of the track and choose a color in the texture layer to be used. Now the track lies on the 3D map with pixel accuracy. Edit your map with the next useful feature right away. Customize your map with text labels and pins. First mark the position on the map before adding the marker or pin. Choose your own pin colors and place as many as you want. All markers and pins can be deleted at any time. For more variety in your map design, we have also integrated a new layer set. Outdoor is the fifth available map set. It's characterized by a graphical clear design. Another small but important creative update for the embed set is the transparent background. Now you can also add your own backgrounds and design your map even more individual and informative. From now on, 3D maps can be exported directly as printable STL or OBJ files. It is no longer necessary to use a third program for converting. The map is exported with the best possible mesh quality and can reach file sizes of up to 200 MB. STL and OBJ files can be handled by most slicers and 3D printing services. Create your own 3D map now. 3dmapper.com. No apps, no downloads. All in the browser.